What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What should you do if you can't get a cosigner for your loan? If you have bad credit, a cosigner can significantly enhance your loan conditions, resulting in considerably better terms and interest rates. But what do you do if you can't get a cosigner? Don't panic, there are still solutions available to assist you in obtaining a loan. What exactly is a cosigner, and why do you need one? A cosigner is a person with strong credit who trusts you enough to sign your loan alongside you. As a result, rather than being solely accountable for the debt, the cosigner accepts responsibility for it as well. If you are unable to repay the debt, the cosigner becomes liable. The benefit of having a cosigner is that you will have access to their credit score when applying for a loan. This usually translates into a lower interest rate and more affordable terms. Using a cosigner, if possible, is a terrific method to enhance your conditions and have a loan accepted. What are your choices if you can't get a cosigner? In certain circumstances, it is a bit hazardous for the individual who is cosigning on a loan, especially if the person they are signing with has a terrible credit history. Furthermore, unless they are a close family, such as a parent, a cosigner will frequently refuse to sign with you. If this occurs, explore one of the several lending choices available to you. Build your own credit. While it is not the quickest option, it is the most dependable. Building your own credit may boost your financial future in ways that no other choice can. Taking the effort to save, make payments, and pay off debts will improve your credit score and secure a solid credit future. Even if you acquire a loan now, you should concentrate on boosting your credit score in the future. Getting a secured credit card is one of the simplest actions you can normally take today, even if you have bad credit. A secured credit card utilizes your own money as security to assist you in establishing credit. For example, you may provide the creditor $300 in cash as security, and they would then extend you a $300 line of credit. Successfully using and paying this card down on time will help you develop credit for a loan in the future. Keep an eye out for further chances. For example, financing a new mattress rather than purchasing one with cash will help you establish a favorable credit history. It may cost more in the end, but the improvement in your credit history and score may be worth the extra cost. Importantly, if you're searching for a secured credit card or installment loan, be sure the firm discloses its activities to the credit agencies, since this is the only method to increase your credit score. Most businesses will submit reports to at least one agency, but double-check before agreeing to the conditions. Non-traditional lending. Even if your credit score is too poor to qualify for a loan from a regular lender, you may be able to arrange a private loan from a friend or family member. They know and trust you and can hold you accountable if you fall behind on payments. This may result in far better terms than any lending institution is ready to provide you. This form of loan, on the other hand, will not boost your credit. If you need money quickly, it may be ideal in the short term. However, if you want to boost your credit, you should look at other methods. Alternative options. If the aforementioned methods do not work for you, there may be further possibilities. The possibilities vary depending on the scenario, but they may help you achieve your objective in a different way. For example, if you cannot afford to take out a lease on an apartment, try becoming a roommate or subtenant under another individual who does. This would enable you to find a place to live without having to face a credit check. Consider financing straight via a franchise dealership for a car loan. Major vehicle dealerships sometimes have many financial institutions vying for their financing loans, which may help you negotiate better rates. Final thought. If you cannot find a cosigner for your loan, it does not imply you can't receive a loan. There are several choices available to assist you in achieving your objectives. However, make certain that you will also be working on repairing your credit at the same time, or you may find yourself in the same predicament later on. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.